Morning. Today it's a weekly, so we will come to the agenda as well. But overall agenda is weekly mixed with the day. So it's going to be 9 o'clock. So we'll quickly finish this part because they will change this website. So the weekly, as you could see here, like 1% down. The Nifty, how it is, like it started and then it moved on. Bank Nifty, there is no change here. You can see here, uh, somewhere just 1 point change, 0%. And these things I don't want to say, like whatever is there. So, but you can have a look at it. And with respect to Nifty IT, why? Because it's a significant down. That's because the Nifty IT is totally dependent on the US. The US is drastically coming down, and the IT stocks there are coming down. So that's why these things are coming down. And we'll quickly just move on to the these things about the what happened the entire week with respect to the stock. So you can just have a look at this 20,000 rupees market cap. We spoke in detail about Thermax and ABB, so you can have a look. So that those two stocks we are not going to speak today with respect to the English. You can make a note of it in the English. Okay. So we want to speak something else, something different. Yeah. So the Titan, the gold prices are coming down, so that's why I think the Titan stocks are the gold related stocks are moving up, and that's how the Titan the last week was a 3% up. Okay, so now since it is, but the market is going to be significantly down today, and it's not about the probably weekly we will come to it, but yeah, if you can get something around 2 to 4%, same thing down, you can enter because Titan is a high quality company. So if you can on a weekly basis get, you can make another 1 to 2% again. So this is with respect to the Titans. And then since we spoke about the mid cap there, so we'll speak about the small cap here. In the small cap, you want to enter. Small caps are like trading in options. So this is a Banco which we gave the call also last week. We are going to continue giving the call today also. So yeah, so for day trading for today and tomorrow, you can think about it. So and more detail, yeah, last week Friday, whatever we spoke, we go the fundamentals of this company has been discussed in detail. Okay, so we'll yeah one more thing. Like I saw this one, DCB Bank, yeah, DCB Bank has given a significant up move. So yeah, so you can buy a small portion at this price, or else when it comes 5 to 10% down, you can, if you're planning to invest 100 rupees in the banking sector, you just convert your 50 rupees for the DCB Bank because it is coming up, and then within this 50 rupees, you can put 20-30% now, or else wait for a correction or somewhere around 90 rupees. That is a good level to enter, and then another level is somewhere around 85 to 80. That's a very good level to enter. If you get, you make significant investments, that's a safe price there. So from there, on a weekly, monthly, and yearly, you can expect somewhere around 10 to 30%. From this level, you expect somewhere around another 5 to 15%. If at all, if the market is good, it is going to give. But when the market is not good, it's not that this stock will be fly because it's in the banking sector also. Because so this is not part of Bank Nifty, but still people can come and short it. So that's where these are all the safe levels. So if you want to be an like high risk taker and then enter at this level, like still do not cross 50% of whatever allocated to the banking sector. Okay, this is about this. And another story I will say, like Share paper has significantly come up for the last 2 months for whatever reason, but this is a high quality company, but all the things are priced into the price. So budding traders or else the investor you want to come in, yeah, so even you can enter now also, but for a small cap, if you keep 100 rupees, do not put more than 20, like if and then you decide you want to put or don't sorry, do not put all your 100 rupees in share paper, like just commit 25%, and even in the 25% of the money, you commit only 30% of the capital now, because as it has traveled almost doubled its value from 150, or if you take 100 as the base level, which was somewhere around 1 year ago, it has tripled. So you have to be very careful. But it's a high quality company, debt free company, they have good margins. So this is about a very small micro cap company. So this is what we want to do. Like even in the day, you do the day with thinking with a perspective of a year and another, not just year, like 20-30 years. Okay, so this is about the overall thing, and then we will come to the one day match of today. Okay, so what is today? Yeah, the market is going to be significantly down 2%. Why? Because the Nasdaq was 4% down. So what is the story with the Nikki is showing today is 3% down approximate. Okay, so always check the trend and pattern how it has fallen. It has fallen from falling all the way, significant downtrend. That's how it has come. Okay, is it same thing happening in Nikki? Yeah, something similar, something like flattish is be, but hopefully like 70% it's going to be like this. Maybe it will remain in 3% or it may come around 3.5%. So the Nikki. So our guy has already told we are going to open in this level, something like here 2%. So we'll come to know our story somewhere around 9:35 and 10:30 the story will get confirmed. So at that level, when you get an uptick somewhere in the early part, something like this, when you get a small uptick, that is the level and where you go for the shorting futures or else called shorting the call options. Okay, so don't go in the morning itself 9:25, you don't go and short. The stock may still close like 2%, but you will lose your capital. Okay, so even if you are shorted, and same thing applies to put option. If you buy, your premium is going to decay. Okay, so be very careful. Get the trend on your side. So obviously today is down, but don't go straight away short in the morning. So get what's our drama is going to play. You will come to know at 9:35 and 10:30. So after 10:30, this is mainly for the options buyers. Okay, option buyers. Yeah, 10:30 level. Even to buy a put option, that is a case which is very safe. Okay, so this is about certain things which you may already know. And the gold we have spoken significantly, and we don't want to waste your time in the English as well. So certain levels we are told, please go and capture those levels. Basically, family people who want to buy gold, please go and buy, because gold somewhere around 5,000 rupees is now. It's going to double or triple in next 3 to 8 years. Okay, but don't take a loan and go and buy. If you have cash sitting in your bureau, go and buy it. Okay, so and that also 60-70% you buy, because it may fall another 10% also, because the war is happening, the inflations are there. Actually gold should move up, but it's not moving, but everything will fall in line, which means it will go up at some point, and when it goes up it will keep going. So be very careful about that. So that point of taking a loan, I told don't take a loan. If you have cash, you buy it. This is an international market which I put for a reason, because we has already started, and our market is also started, and it's in the down tick here. You can see here. So on the support levels we are given in the Tamil, the values in the English. So please go and check it there. And then so we'll come back to our levels, which is also being given there. So you can take it from the Tamil, the levels there. Okay, so the levels are given in English. So please go and take it. So overall perspective on a weekly basis. So how it is going to be there. So though the super trend is looking very good, it has given a significant 4% downtick in the US market. So you have to take a broader intra-week view only after today's market ending. Okay, so that is a broad perspective. And if at all you're going to buy, so somewhere around these are the safe levels to buy, somewhere around 17,000, 17,000 level, that is the safe levels. Okay, I repeat, 17,000, that is the safe levels. Okay, so and then how to short it, I will take it in a like 5-minute pattern the Friday, and then I will tell you. So if you see here, so in the morning part, don't short after 10 o'clock. Even the shorting people with the call option, use the high of the previous 30 minutes and then you try to short it. So that's how you should go. And then if you decided to buy the put, and today I will tell you somewhere around 11 o'clock, even if when the premium has gone up, you get the appropriate support level and then you go and buy the premium. So don't go buy it just like that at 9:25, hoping you will get like 100 points or 200 points. That may happen, but the chances is only 20%. But if you're going to short somewhere around 10:30, the call option, yeah, you have got good chance to make somewhere around 50 to 100 points, okay, with appropriate stop loss. So this is how you play the game of the options. But why I'm saying options here, because many people want it, but I told you about the story with respect to shea pepper. So that's how we want to play this game, not just for like 1 month, but shea pepper, we told you the story about 1 year. But yeah, that's an excellent company. It has got about 30-40 years history, so one can travel his life cycle maybe with, but it's a very very small micro cap company. But there are other companies in Nifty 50 with a history of 30, 40, 50 years. So microcap also will give you significant result, but you should have a small portion of it. So this is how you do your investment mixed with your trading. Basically, trading you should not do, since you're not. It's a profession. Okay, so in terms of SIP in share paper, yeah, you can do it, but not on monthly basis, but on a yearly basis. Okay.